How to share location on Google Maps, Android and iPhone. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on Google Maps using both Android and iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Here appears the main page of the Google Maps. From here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear on the screen. And select Location Sharing. Next, tap Share Location, and choose how long you want to share it. You can select a specific time until you turn this off for continuous sharing. Now choose a contact from your Google account, or choose to share via WhatsApp, Messages, or any other app. To stop sharing, go back to Location Sharing and tap Stop next to the contact. That's how we can easily share the location on WhatsApp from the Google Maps app. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Maps tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.